Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia G42, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. So to get started, you will want to hold your power button. Press and hold power button to... No, we don't want assistant, we want... Come on. Well, let's show it to me. Okay, so we get to press volume up and power button because we got to be quirky. Cool, so let's do that now. There we go. So power button, volume up, we're gonna select power off. So you want to hold it. And when you hold it, it will then show you this option, reboot to safe mode. So do you want to reboot into safe mode? This will disable all third-party applications that you have installed. They will be restored when you reboot again. Let's confirm it. And when the device boots up, basically any app that we have installed ourselves will be temporarily turned off. So neither you nor the device will be able to run it at all. And obviously this is designed for troubleshooting your phone. So it's not really used to use the device in safe mode normally, because most of the features of the device will be disabled there. Let's give it a second for it to actually boot up, and you can then see how that looks like. So there we go, we have a little watermark right at the bottom, safe mode. And once the device boots up, widgets will not work even though they come installed with the device. We have a bunch of applications that come installed with the device that also will not function, which you can define them because they become monochrome or semi-transparent. I don't think they became monochrome here. Oh no, they did. So as you can see, Netflix, instead of being black and red, it's now just kind of grayish. So you can see that it's looking a little bit different than typically, and if you try to open it up, it gives you this pop-up that downloaded apps disabled in safe mode, even though things like Wallet weren't downloaded. They came with the device, but I think it's basically downloaded by, or the phone considers it downloaded by the manufacturer rather than you. So yeah, there we go. Now once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to normal one, then again hold the power button and volume up, and we're gonna select restart. Once the device boots back up again, it automatically goes to normal mode. Now, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.